Have you ever wondered if a tree near you could transform your health, especially with sugar problems like diabetes? Today we're talking about Moringa, also called the miracle tree or the drumstick tree. It's packed with nutrients, and many people use it as a natural support for healthy blood sugar levels. People also use Moringa to support energy, weight balance, heart health, and the immune system. Insulin can become less effective, and the body may struggle to keep sugar levels steady after meals. Muscle mass can decrease too, meaning less sugar is pulled out of the blood and used for energy. That's how prediabetes and diabetes can quietly develop, without obvious symptoms at first. So how does Moringa help? First, it may help reduce sudden sugar spikes after meals. Some compounds in Moringa leaves may slow how fast sugar is absorbed into the bloodstream. Second, it may support insulin sensitivity, helping the body use insulin more effectively. And when blood sugar is steadier, many people report better energy and fewer crashes. Why does it work? Moringa contains antioxidants and natural plant compounds that support metabolism. This can support digestion, help manage glucose response, and promote overall balance in the body. So how can you use it? Moringa powder is popular. Just add it to smoothies, yogurt, or water. Moringa tea is another easy option. Steep the leaves and enjoy it warm or chilled. A common routine is taking Moringa about 15 minutes before meals to support a smoother glucose rise. But if you take diabetes medicine or insulin, talk to your doctor first. Moringa may affect your levels. Can sugar problems be reversed? In early stages, lifestyle plus consistent habits can improve blood sugar control.
This caution symbol means we need to proceed carefully, but it's manageable.
So I shouldn't be too worried.
Exactly.
Yeah.
We'll start with a low dose and see how you respond.
Yeah.
The goal is safety. Monitor your sugar, avoid sudden drops, and make changes with professional guidance. Today we learned Moringa is a natural, nutrient-rich option that may support blood sugar balance and energy. If this helped you, like, share, and subscribe for more simple health tips you can use in real life. Remember, small changes add up. Listen to your body, stay consistent, and take care of your health.